Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up securing SBA 7A financing with Lendio step by step clearly. Begin by visiting Lendio's official website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill out the required information including your name, email, and a secure password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation link. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Lendio dashboard. Navigate to the section for loan types and select SBA 7A financing. Read through the overview of the SBA 7A program to understand its benefits. Prepare the necessary documentation for your application. Gather your business financial statements including profit and loss statements. Collect your personal and business tax returns for the last 3 years. Compile your business plan, detailing your operations and future projections. Ensure you have personal financial statements ready to submit. Once you have everything, initiate the application process on Lendio. Complete the online application form, providing all required details. Double-check all entries for accuracy before submitting. After submission, Lendio will match you with lenders that best fit your profile. You will receive notifications on potential loan offers tailored to your needs. Review the offers carefully, considering interest rates and repayment terms. Select the loan offer that aligns best with your financial goals. Once you've made your choice, proceed to formally accept the offer. Prepare for a follow-up interview with the lender to discuss your application. The lender may request additional documentation, so have your files organized. Stay responsive to any requests from Lendio or the lender throughout the process. After final approvals, review the loan agreement thoroughly before signing. Once signed, the funds will be disbursed to your business account. Congratulations, you have successfully secured your SBA 7A financing with Lendio. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.